Nunda. Good evening. Hello, hello. Hello?
He's
Can,
shy. He's shy.
huh? He's shy.
Yes.
Why? Why are you shy? What happened? Why are you shy? Hello? Hi.
And
Hi,
when
Hundong. It's nice
hello,
to
Miss
see
Sai.
you again.
Hello, Miss Con.
Hundong, good evening, and welcome again to our class. How are you today? How are you? Are you
Nói thế nào?
happy or are you shy?
Con con mất
Huh?
mất ế em.
What did you say?
Ờ,
Why are you shy right now? Did you have you done anything? Oh, how are you today? Are you happy? Happy?
vui hay
No?
buồn?
You're not happy?
Buồn ngủ.
Mm.
Còn
Did
quay.
you already eat today? Hundong, did you already eat? Yes or no?
Ăn cơm chưa? Yes.
Chưa.
Hundong,
Rồi sao?
how
Đang
are
quay không?
you? Are you happy? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, wow, that's very good. And
Một.
are you ready to continue our
Đi chưa?
lesson?
Đúng
Teacher,
rồi.
are you ready?
Có đi chơi.
Ready?
Mình học đi.
It's okay. Okay, are you ready? Ready?
No.
Ah, no. Why? Why are you not ready?
Linda.
Linda, later we will have class with Lindan after you. But first, we will learn first, okay? So now let's start our lesson. So let's look at this. So look at the picture, Hundong. What is
It's
it?
uh
What is it? Is is it a notebook or book?
notebook.
Very good. It's a book. What color is it? What color is it?
It's red.
Mm,
It's red.
nào nhỉ?
It's red.
It's
Okay, very good. So again, what is this, Hundong, or what is it? It's a book. It's a book. What is this? Or what is it? It's a book.
It's a book.
it's a
It's
Dành
red.
cho.
Okay, so next, let's take a look at this one. Do you still remember what is this? What is it? Oh, sleepy.
Nó là gì?
What is it? Hmm, What is it?
ghế. Cái
Huh?
ghế.
What is it?
Cái
Is it a
ghế.
chair? Yes or no? Is it
Cái
a
ghế.
chair?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So now let's say it in a sentence. So let's say it's a chair.
Đàng hoàng không nhá.
It's a chair.
Very good. What color
Đàng
is it?
hoàng.
Hmm. What color is it, Hundong?
A red.
Hmm?
It's
It's
It's a
It's brown.
it's brown.
very good. So it's Brown. So again, let's say it's a chair. It's brown.
It's brown.
Is a chair. Is brown.
It's a chair. It's a brown.
Okay, so we will not use a or a when saying the color. So we will just only say it's
It's
brown.
brown.
It's brown.
Very good. So don't put an a or a. Okay, very good. So good job. Okay, now let's take a look at this one. So Hundong, do you still remember what shape is this? What shape?
Đây là hình gì?
What shape is this? What shape? What shape? What shape is this? Is it
Yeah.
very good? It's okay, let's say it's
He say tiger.
a tiger. Oh no. Is it a tiger?
Em chưa
Is
dây rồi mà biết con chết.
is this an animal? No, it's not an animal. It's a what? It's not an animal. It's not a
Wow.
yes, it's not an animal.
Tiger.
It's a shape. We call it as triangle. Triangle.
Triangle.
Very good. Nice. So let's say it's a triangle. Let's say it's a triangle.
It's a triangle.
Very good. What color is it?
Màu
It's
red.
It's hello.
Is red.
It's
Okay, very good. So let's say it's a triangle. It's red. What's that? No net.
yummy.
No net? Huh?
Là cái gì?
What's no net?
Là cái gì?
Okay, let's say it's a triangle. Let's say it's a triangle.
Go.
It's red.
À, nó
It's red.
Very
Ê, chết
good.
rồi, em biết
Good.
cái nguyên cái cây bút chì em rồi.
Good
Nó vậy
job. Okay,
Bác
now
ơi, cây bút chì rồi.
let's take
Cái tắt rồi.
now let's take a look at this Hundong. Is this a book? Yes or no?
No.
No.
Cái gì?
Yes. Yes, it's not a book. Is it a notebook? Is it a notebook? Yes or no? Yes, very good. So let's say it's a notebook.
Netbook.
Netbook. It's a netbook. Okay, let's say note.
Nhà netbook kìa. Netbook kìa.
notebook.
Notebook.
Not
Nó.
Notebook. Very good. Oh, what? Oh, what happened? Okay, let's say it's a notebook. Oh no, what happened? Okay, it's a notebook. Ah,
Happy baby.
Okay, okay. What happened? Okay, now, Hundong, what color is it? What color is it?
Màu gì?
What color? What color is the notebook?
It's yellow and blue.
It's yellow
Very,
and blue.
very good. Blue. Good job. Again, let's say blue, not boo. Blue.
Blue.
Okay, let's say the sentence again. Very good. So let's say the sentence again. Let's say it's a notebook. It's yellow and blue.
Sinh nhật đăng ký ở nhà.
It's yellow
Không, cái bắt
and
Sinh nhật ở nhà.
blue.
học đi.
Okay, so very good. So next, let's proceed and move on to our next object. So look at look at this. This one,
Đừng có
Hundong.
khi mà nào.
What is this? Is this a chair? Is this a chair? What is this? Is this a chair or is it the desk? It's a desk. Let's say it's a
Desk.
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 Okay, very good. It's a desk. Now, what color is it?
Teacher.
Oh yes.
Quần đông. May I go out?
Oh, okay, sure. What is happening to Hundo? Okay. Take your time.
He's pregnant.
Oh, he's pregnant. Oh no, he is so young to be pregnant.
Không. Pregnant.
Chị ơi.
Oh
Bầu.
no, what happened?
Happy.
What happened to you? Okay. What? Huh? Okay, again, let's say it's a desk. It's a desk. What color is it?
Desk.
Yes, it's a desk. Very good. What color is it? What color is it? What color? What color?
Nine.
It's brown. Okay, let's say it's brown.
Không.
Okay, let's say it's a desk. It's brown.
It's blue.
Brown. Very good. So how about this one? What are these, Hundong? What are these? Look at this one. What are these? Are these notebooks? Yes or no? Are these notebooks?
No.
No. No. Is it or are they books? Are they books?
And blue.
Very good. So let's say it in a sentence. They're books. They're books.
Black.
Their color blue and pink.
blue and pink.
Okay, very good. So good job. So those are the things that we can see in our classroom. So good job, Hunto. I think so we finished our lesson 2. So good job. So now let's proceed to our lesson number 3. Okay, let me just open. So for our lesson number 3, Hundo, so we are still in Unit 2. Unit 2, which is all about art class.
What? Unit 3.
Unit 3? Is it number 3? No, it's number 2. Like this, number 2. So Unit 2, let's say art class.
Right.
333. Okay, let's say art class.
Right.
Oh, yeah, okay, it's number 3. But let's say art class. Very good. So we are in. So you are right. You are right. We are in lesson number 3, which is all about a story. Wow. I have it. I also have that one, but it's a flower. Chin. I also have that one, but it's a flower. Okay, so let's listen to a story that we have here. And after that, we will answer a question. Okay, so let's listen.
Page 16. Lesson 3. Story.
Story.
A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. The blue paint.
The blue paint.
This is my paint.
This
This
is my paint.
Hey! This is my paint too.
This is my paint
Let's
too.
share.
Let's
Okay.
share. Okay.
Cool.
Oh. Okay.
Go.
Okay, sure. Go.
Lệ ở đây học. Học đi, hỏi tụi nó gì?
Hi. Welcome back. Are you okay? Drink your water.
Can you? Đi nước rồi.
Em Long ơi, em học em biết sự với cha giáo vậy nha.
Chứ trời, ăn không chứ trời.
Wow. Is that a candy?
Candy.
Oh,
Yeah.
candy. Yes. Okay. Eat your candy.
Candy cow. Milk. Milk.
Chết rồi, quăng chứ trời đâu.
Is it a milk candy?
Rồi quăng chứ trời đâu tiêu ơi.
Rồi, cùng.
Okay. So again.
Rồi mất cái trời luôn rồi.
So again, let's listen to the story that we have. Okay.
Page 16.
Baking
Lesson
Quang.
3.
scene.
Hỏi thêm
Story.
Quang viết về cái rùa.
A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. The blue paint.
This is my paint.
Như vậy.
This is my
Học
paint.
đi.
Hey! This is my paint too. Let's share. Okay. Look! Cool.
Okay, so now let's take a look at the first, or let's read the story that we have. So let's go first with the first part of our story. So let's read. Let's say, this is my paint.
Ướt mặt bèn.
Very good. Next is, this is my paint. Okay, let's say, this is my paint. And next
Đọc
is,
theo.
hey. Hey, this is my paint too.
Hai.
Okay, let's say, hey, this
Đọc.
is my paint too.
This is my pen too.
Okay, again,
This is
this
Ướt.
is my
my
paint
pen
too.
too.
Okay, very good. Next is, let's say, or let's read, let's share.
Oh.
Let's share.
Học.
Again, let's share. Let's. Oh no, where is Hundong? Okay, let's read. Let's share. Let's
Học đây.
let's share. Let's share.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Next is okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next, look. Look. Look, look, look. Look.
Say again. Look.
Cool.
Ôi sao nghe tiếng quay?
Look.
Look
Học đi.
cool.
Cool.
Okay, very good. So again, so this is our story about the blue paint. This is the blue paint.
Không có chén hả?
Okay, now let's take a look at the picture, Hundong. So we have here Sam. This is Sam. Now let's take a look at Sam's paint. What color are yes, what color are his paint? What color? Look at the
Tôi
picture.
đọc cái phần mặt nó dài quá.
What color are his paint?
Lạnh quá.
Chắc hàng quang.
Okay, very good. So he has black and white. How about Danny? So this is Danny. What color are his paint? For Danny.
This là yellow and red.
Very good. Yellow and red. Now, so let's take a look at the second picture. So we have here a paint that they both needed. So what color is this paint?
Yellow.
Blue. It's blue. Very good. So it's blue. So now in this picture, so they decided to share the paint blue. And at the end of the story, so Hundong, so Sam and Danny have drawn their picture. So let's take a look at the picture of Sam. So what did Sam draw, or what did Sam drew? Hundong, what did Sam drew? What did Sam drew? Is it a person? Is it a person? Yes or no? Is it the person?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. What color? What color is his drawing?
Blue.
Blue? Only blue? It's no, very good. What is the other
White.
two? Blue, white, and what is the other color? Blue, white, and what color is this? Ta-da!
Blue.
This one. Blue, white,
Yellow.
and black. Okay, so for Sam's drawing, so he had the color blue, black, and white. So he drew a boy with a sword. Okay, and next, let's take a look at Danny's drawing. What did he draw? Is it also a person? Is it also a person? Yes, very good. Is it a boy or is it a girl? Is it a boy?
Boy.
Very good. It's a boy. Now, can you tell teacher what is the color of the boy? What is the color of his drawing? What is the color of his drawing?
Signal by.
Huh?
Signal by.
Huh? Yellow?
It's a signal by.
Huh? What did you
Yes.
say? Okay, again. So let's check.
It's a
Danny's.
signal by.
Huh?
Lên quay nha.
What did you say? Okay, so again, let's take a look at Danny's drawing. What is the color, or what are the colors? We have yellow, red, and what? Yellow, red, and yellow, red, and blue. So we have yellow, red, red, and blue. So again, what is the color of Danny's drawing? Hundo? What color? Yellow, red, and blue.
Hello. Red. Blue.
Okay, very good. So yellow, red, and blue. So
Học
good
đàng hoàng ha. Làm gì vậy?
Okay, so that is for our story about the blue paint. Okay, so I think it's already the end of our time. So Hundong, so we will just continue this story next Sunday. Okay? Hundong. Okay. So thank you so much for your time today,
I'll come back to see
Hundong.
you again.
So fast. Goodbye and see you again, Hundong. Goodbye.
And
See you again.